channel. I'm Rachel.
I'm Nikki and we're the Stitch Sisters. We're here today with a great video all about the new big 4 patterns that have just been released for autumn winter.
Brand new season.
Brand new season. We're very excited.
We are.
And we're really impressed with the new patterns that have come out. So we thought we would share our thoughts with you guys.
Yes.
So you can see how awesome they are and see where our inspirations come from.
The big 4 seem to be upping their game recently. They're styling their patterns in a much more modern way.
Yep.
We can definitely see elements in their designs that have come from the catwalk, that have come from the fashion industry. So it's really, really fun to see that gap between fashion and sewing closing slightly and allowing us all to be a little bit more fashion forward in our sewing.
We've got 12 patterns to share with you. They're not a top 12 or anything because we couldn't choose a favourite. So we're just going to give them all equal billing.
So before we go any further, if you're new to our channel, welcome, hello. We produce videos all about sewing, fashion, DIY and style, and if that is your jam, then please click on the button below and the subscribe button, and if you want to get notifications every time we release a new video, click that little bell, and if you want to see more information related to our videos, make sure you head over to our blog, which is www.thestitchsisters.co.uk. Should we start the countdown?
Yes, let's do it.
So number 1 is not a new pattern, it's actually a vintage reproduction. Simplicity have re-released a pattern I'm really excited about. I'm wearing my beret to celebrate. This is a 1960s re-release and it's a load of vintage accessories. It's pattern number 4178 and it includes pattern for a beret, for another little pillbox hat, for scarves, for flower rosettes, for a clutch purse, all the vintage accessories you could ever want. But be still my beating heart, leopard print from the 60s. Who can resist any kind of leopard print accessory? I can't.
So number 2 is the Burda 6359, and you know that we love coats and jackets, but this one got our attention because it is a fur jacket. Ooh. So you've got 2 different styles. You've got a bomber jacket and you've got a button-up short jacket, and Burda have done them in fake fur, and we think this is a great option. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I have seen a TK Maxx jacket that TK Maxx have been teasing me with for weeks now. It keeps coming in all my emails and it's on their advertisements and things like that. I go to the website and it is not there. So I may have to recreate it for myself using this pattern.
So all we need to do now is find her the rainbow fur fabric. If anybody knows we can get it, make sure you comment below.
Email me.
Number 3 is another Burda pattern. This is 6375 and it is a wrap skirt, but the reason we love it is it's pleather. And pleather is everywhere at the moment. Oh,
I'm wearing it now.
This beautiful wine coloured pleather is so autumnal and so on trend, but there's extra special details in this pattern that we just love. There's a pleated waistband at the top of the wrap on the pleather version on the envelope, and then on the cotton version there's amazing detailed pockets. We haven't seen a pocket like this before on a sewing pattern, so it's got us really, really excited. It's a really standard A-line shape, super on trend, and it's definitely on our list.
Next up is number 4 and it's Burda 6377. I have bought a pair of trousers from Marks and Spencer's which are exactly this style. So they're mid-rise, slim leg, fitted all the way down, and they've got this embellishment detail down the side, and it could either be a ribbon, it could be a different shade of fabric, it could be something else. You can go crazy. They're bang on trend and exactly what's in the shops.
Everywhere, yes. I call them go faster stripes. Number 5 is Burda again, the last of the Burdas, and it's 6380, and this one is a double-breasted sleeveless jacket or dress. Suiting is everywhere on the catwalk at the moment, but particularly sleeveless double-breasted jacket dresses. Wear them just with tights, boots. It is a suit jacket that you wear as a dress, and we love that. And if you were watching recently at the royal wedding, you would have seen Cara Delevingne wearing an awesome example of women in men's suiting. It's described as very difficult, so it's only for you more accomplished sewers, but if you're looking for ways to recreate this trend, then this is the pattern for you.
Number 6 is Simplicity 8689, and this one is definitely all over the shops. It's a folk style peasant dress, and it's got lots of options in this pattern. So you've got the midi length and you've also got the short length. You've got princess seams, you've got button details, you've got ribbon details, pin tucks. You can throw as much of this as you want, and I love the way that they've styled it in the pattern.
Yes, all of the options they've provided give you lots of inspiration. There's embroidery on the sleeves on one of them, there's bands on the sleeve, there's pin tucks on the skirt. There's just so much that you can have fun with this pattern. Number 7 is Simplicity 8697, and this is your classic oversized boyfriend style blazer. It has 2 options, one for a standard sort of notched collar and one for a more tuxedo style collar. We just love the variations that they've given you on this pattern. You've got your typical Prince of Wales check blazer, there's a lovely floral one with the tuxedo collar. It comes with single or double breasted options, and it has patch pockets on the front, so no welt pockets or anything like that. We think this is a really simple option if you want to try tailoring, if you love that blazer style, and if you want to have some fun with your fabric.
Number 8 is Simplicity 8698, and this is something that every woman, no matter how fashion forward she is, needs in her wardrobe. Every woman needs a pair of joggers. The styling of this one is just bang on. They've got wide leg and they've also got slim leg, so whichever you prefer, you can make them, and they've got go fast stripes. Woohoo! You can style them up with a big oversized jacket, a nice graphic tee, a pair of funky trainers, and you're ready to go. There's lots of street style options that will give you some inspiration for this style.
Number 9, Simplicity 8699. Now this is one that Nikki got so excited about when she saw, because it was on her autumn plan. It is a tweed skirt. It can be made in mini, midi, maxi, whatever length you like, but what we love about it is that it's a wrap skirt. It has an asymmetrical option, and it would just look great in such a wide range of fabrics. Heavy fabrics would really suit it best, so a denim would be a really nice clean version, but then think of Chanel tweeds with nice big chunky buttons. We love the idea of the maxi pencil skirt at the moment, especially with that button detail. You can style it really smart for the office with a blouse, or you could chuck it on with a t-shirt and make it look more casual. We just think it's a really versatile pattern.
The number 10 is one of these fantastic Simplicity pattern hacking patterns. It's 8701 and it's jeans. Not only is it jeans, it is Rachel's jeans of dreams. Woo! 1970s, tick. Farrah Fawcett, tick. Wide leg, tick. And it's got big patch pockets on the front. Now, this is one of those patterns where you've got so many options and they're encouraging you to hack it. You can make them short legged, you can put tie waists on them. They've got fly fronts. There's lots and lots of options with this, and I think these are great patterns for the more adventurous sewer.
Number 11 is my style queen, Mimi G, wearing and you, of course. Yeah. It's a colour blocked tracksuit. I particularly like the top. I think it's got really nice retro 70s vibes. I'm imagining it with my Farrah Fawcett jeans, and I just think the colour blocking options on it are brilliant. I want to make one in red and pink to match my red pink trainers.
Oh yeah.
I'm loving this sort of sports luxe vibe at the moment, where you can take patterns that are supposed to be casual and you can style them up in a really street style way and look fun and funky and be super comfy all at the same time.
Yeah. So the last one, number 12, is Simplicity 8742, and it ticks a few of our boxes. So it goes in with our cozy cardi challenge because it's a new cardigan pattern. We do think it would be great as a coat though if you used heavier fabrics. It comes in 2 different lengths and it has 2 different collar options. You could do it as with normal knit fabrics, but if you did it in a heavier wool or a boiled wool, something like that would make a really lovely casual coat.
So we hope you've enjoyed having a run through of the new season patterns with us. We are so impressed with how Simplicity and Burda have upped their game. Their styling is on point, their fabric choices are on point. We're loving the clean strip backed backgrounds. It just means that you can really see the clothes. They're using a lot more plain fabrics, and I think the fabrics that they're choosing are much more wearable, and it allows you to actually imagine how you would interpret that pattern. Gone are the days when you had to look past the pictures and look at the line drawings, try and imagine how you could make the pattern work for you. Now they're actually inspiring us, and we're really, really excited.
We hope you are too. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.